Well, what is up, everyone? I'm about to hop on my dirt bike and ride a little ways to a couple sets of little tiny creeks flowing up way up high, 10,000 plus, 11,000 feet in elevation. Fished a couple before, well, one, two up here. But I just thought I'd bring one for the journey. Hopefully we can catch some decent looking brook trout. Hopefully we can find them. There's some new creeks that I've never been to, so I don't know if there's gonna be fish. I think there will be, but we'll find out. Boy, it sure is pretty. I just walked like half a mile to this creek, but there is nothing. No fish. I believe it's naturally polluted, and just, I don't know if there's never been fish here or if they've all died out, but yeah, that kind of sucks. I guess on to the next one. All right, here's creek number 2. Good thing is, I already spotted one right down there through my vines. Hopefully, we can go catch them. All right, this is what I got tied on right now. I want to be totally honest with you. I'm not even sure what it is, but it's probably going to be too big. I'm going to try it for a little bit. I'm guessing I'm going to have to tie on a smaller fly. Let's not fall down this. Crocs are probably not the best hiking shoe, but other than that, they are the best shoe for for literally anything else. As you can see, yeah, not the best for hiking at all. Probably the worst, besides like flip-flops. There's a couple fish here, but I'm pretty sure they've all already seen me, which is the most challenging part. You gotta basically get so low behind all the bushes you can. Oh, I think one just tried to eat it. Yeah, like I was saying, you gotta get below the bushes. Basically, you can't watch your fly. You're just gonna have to listen for it. Ooh, big one right there. That was actually big for a little creek like this. I would love to catch that guy. That fly is already sinking. Yeah, this fly kind of sucks. I just bought it literally yesterday, or no, the day before. 2 days ago. And I am not impressed with it. Like I said, I'm not a pro. I don't even know what kind of bug that is. I didn't match the hats. There ain't no bugs flying around beside the bees. So I'm just kind of going for whatever. In my experience fly fishing, my, not very much experience, the fish pretty much eat anything in these little creeks. You just have to throw. Oh, there's a big one right there. Oh yeah, he's huge. Oh gosh, he's big. He is a big fish. Oh, he just went way up there. Well, I'm just putting some floating on my fly, and I just realized I left my clippers all the way up that hill. It's the only pair I've got, and I'd kind of like them because I'm thinking about tying on a different fly. Man, that sucks. I really don't want to have to walk all the way back up there. Alright, I'm gonna go look for my clippers real quick before I forget it, and before I make it too far down this river or creek. After like 10 minutes of looking around, finally found them. There's a decent amount of trout in there. They're not huge, but they are in there. Just not gonna move right now. Oh, he bit it. He bit it. One had it. I didn't even realize it. Gosh dang it. Like I said, that's the thing about being next to these bushes. You can't see or fly hardly. Alright, lots of fish in this next hole right here. Some of them already see me, I think. Ooh, there's a decent sized one in there. Just trying to keep low. I'm just gonna leave this in there. Oh, there's a brook here, right here. I mean, right here. Oh, big one right there. He's about to eat it. Oh, let's go. Oh, a cutthroat. Oh, yeah. Yes, brother. Whew. Finally. Oh, he unhooked himself. Good. Okay. The thing about this net is they fit through the holes in the bottom. Stupid design, I know. So we're gonna hope that doesn't happen here. Look at all those little cuts and scars on his back. That is crazy. All right. Hopefully he doesn't flop out of my hand. Oh my gosh, that thing is beautiful. Beautiful native cutthroat here. Get him going. He hasn't been very cooperative with me, so he may have to be revived a little bit. But that's okay, because I know he's tough. Nice. And these bushes are just kind of extremely thick everywhere. But it hides me very well, which is great. But at the same time, it hides the fish well too. There's one swimming around there, freaking out. Oop. There's one up there, but I think he sees me. Oh, he's getting chased by another fish. Alright, we're gonna go for them. I just saw one go for it right as soon as I picked it up off the water. So let's drift. My net is gone. Frick. Okay, I gotta go find my net. Shoot. What happened to my net, bro? I was like, my shutter feels light. There it was. Problem here is I'm out of bushes. So every single fish is just wide open, or I'm wide open, I guess, to the fish. Wow, that was a nice cast right into that bush. And there's fish all around. Yeah, they've all saw me. Sometimes fishing a tiny creek like this can get frustrating. Most of the time, it is so much fun. That one doesn't see me, it's chasing another fish. Here we go, here's what I'm gonna do. Crouch down, I can't even see that water. You can't even see that water. I can't tell if there's a fish over there or not. I know there's some right over here to the right. Alright, big fish. Big trout in this hole right here. Oh, get in my net. That was not the fish I was going after. That's a smaller one. Another beautiful cutthroat, though. Okay. Oh, I really don't want to scare that fish off. They're getting released over here, little buddy. Okay, beautiful fish. Beautiful cutthroat number 2. Oh, he went through my net. There he goes. That'll work. Well, it's currently almost 4 o'clock. Time flew by. I don't even know what time I got up here. Probably 1. Hit that dead end creek that didn't have any fish in it, unfortunately. Then came here. Caught 2 cutthroat so far. I mean, I've had more on. I've just lost them and I've gotten bites and stuff. But I'm looking at one right now. Anyways, I don't know if you want to call this lunch or supper or just a snack, but today's eats are jalapeno beef stick, barbecue chips, and I have a brownie in my bag. I don't know if I'm gonna eat it, and a Gatorade. Cool thing about this Gatorade is it's still just as cold as it was when I took it out of the fridge, thanks to the old Frost Buddy here. Pretty cool little gadget. You can put about any drink in there, any size drink, and it keeps it cold. And that way you don't have to pour it into a cup or whatever, and don't spill. Keep it in my backpack, and works great. Shout out to them. And I really didn't want to quit fishing to eat lunch or whatever, but this is so worth it. I was getting very hungry. This is great. Just eating out in the middle of nowhere. Nobody knows where I'm at. It's great. I could already see a ton of good sized fish over here. So I'm going for the... Oh shoot, I almost fell. Bar cast here. This is gonna work here. Oh, big fish right there. I spooked them all, I think. Pretty much all of them. Oh, big one just ate it. Man, it sure is pretty out here. It also is extremely windy. I think it's about time to quit. I'm running out of cover. This creek is just wide open from here on, I think. So I'll fish what I just did basically all on the way back. And then I'll be done. There we go. Oh, nice catch. Oh, man, I was getting real sad there for a minute. Oh, man. So all I've caught is cutthroats. I thought for sure all I'd catch was brookies. Because in a creek a couple miles from here, oh shoot, all there is brookies. I'm not complaining, I'm just saying that's what I thought I would catch. Little buddy, you're gonna have you calm down. I'd like to get, you know, a little bit of half decent footage of you while I release you into this little creek here. Don't die on me though. Ooh. Oh shoot, my net. Oh, the fish, no. Well, there he goes, right there. Could have probably caught him again on my hand. All right, that works. I just love it. I was getting kind of discouraged. The wind was blowing super hard. And my phone just died. I don't know how, but it did. I must have not got it fully charged or something. I don't know. Or just recording on this all day takes a lot of battery. Plus, I listen to music all the way here, so that'll probably do it. Luckily, I did bring this solar charger here. Nice little gadget. But, yeah. So hopefully I can keep recording and catch a couple more fish before I get back. Well, didn't get that one on video, but at least I got this part on video. Yeah, I think one of those fish I caught, now that I'm looking at them, was like a rainbow cutthroat, cutbow, I think is what you call it, because this guy looks totally different. Maybe that's just the nativeness calm down there, buddy. That makes them different. All right, this is a pretty fish. This is probably the prettiest one I've caught, I think, all day. Oh shoot, I dropped him. I'm a professional fish dropper. It's okay. Get some sunshine on you. Heck yeah. Beautiful fish. Oh, got one. There we go. Yeah. Beautiful. This is where I originally started. This is where that real big one was. There's one swimming right there by that rock. He doesn't seem too bothered. Doesn't really matter. Oh, there's that big one. Oh shoot. That's what I'm talking about. I need to get a better net. With smaller holes. This Dan's fly shop net right here. Big fish even. I understand that this is a little guy. Even big fish have fit to those holes. Anyways, another pretty fish here. All right, well, thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed. Hope you maybe learned something about fly fishing in a little tiny creek. I didn't really teach you much, but you know, just watching helps. And if you have any tips for me, feel free to leave a comment and let me know what I can do better. But yeah, hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you on the next one.